When it comes to maintaining the safety and performance of your vehicle, brake pads are one of the most important components. The Wagner QS brake pads are designed to restore like-new braking performance, ensuring a smooth, quiet ride with consistent, even braking throughout the life of the pad. These pads feature OE-matched friction formulations and configuration, providing you with the reliability and safety you expect. With a zero-copper formulation, Wagner QS brake pads not only deliver outstanding braking performance but also contribute to environmental safety. The pads are engineered with application-specific materials to meet the unique needs of each vehicle, and the 100% post-curing process ensures even friction throughout the life of the pad. This means you get superior braking performance that lasts longer and reduces noise-causing vibration, improving your driving experience. In addition to the pads themselves, this product includes premium stainless steel hardware and OE-style lubricant for a complete and easy installation. Wagner's commitment to quality and durability is backed by thorough testing, including noise, vibration, and harshness (NVH) tests, ensuring top-notch performance. If you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's braking system, click the link in the description to purchase these high-quality Wagner QS brake pads today. Don't forget to subscribe for more product recommendations and reviews.